I got a 2012 Honda Civic, 12 to 15, all the same. I ran 0 gauge down here to right there. This is 13 millimeter right there. Take the 13 and hide it back in there, and go into the back of the steering wheel. Now on the back of the steering wheel, you'll see, well, in front of the steering wheel, you'll see a rubber boot right there. Make a cut a little bit. Make sure you're not pushing the wire out to all this excessive wire right there, factory. You can damage something. Best thing to do is take the negative side off. But the problem is some radio does have a lock system where the radio will be locked. You got to call the dealer, or you can follow one of our page, and then we have a way to bypass them. So we ran the 0 gauge down here underneath here, and be careful right there. There's a screw down here. You want to take this piece off and take the little screw. The screw wasn't in there when I did it, so we ran the 0 gauge back on here. We're not using a aftermarket stereo, so I used the cable tie right here, and I did the as you can see right there, it's a ground. I clean it really good, and I put the ground right there. And this was made just for basic install, nothing fancy, guys. So if you see something that looks, for basic install, this is what we can do. Okay, so 0 gauge, it is a little bit bigger than that. So we got a 12 volt to the positive side of this amp right there. This is Taurus amp. And then remote from the KISLOC 2. We use the KISLOC 2, KISLOC 2. KISLOC 2 got a built-in output, remote output. So we put a remote right there. That ground that we ran from there to here. And then I ran the speaker wire from the sub up there, the middle sub right there. I can't show you this sub right there. The green is positive and the red is negative. So the green, I'll go to the black wire right here, that black wire right there, and then the red the red go to the green, and then the black go to the red off that speaker right there. So, and then the solid color, which is white gray, is go to the positive, and then white black, gray black go to the negative to this KISLOC 2. And then you run the RCA jack out here and put on here, and then that is how you do it. There's no ANC to worry about on this model, and ready to go.